Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Glenn Sam Sloan, hence the GSS, and videos is what I do. And in this video, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be doing a taste test on the Walkers, the national brand of Walkers crisps, and then the Aldi brand of crisps, the Stackers. Alright, no, Snackers. Snackers. Right, I think it's Snackers. No, I can't read it. As you can see, both of them is huge onion. Right, we've got, as you can see, a purple sticker and a red sticker. So, we open up the Stackers. Right, and a bit of Stackers in that one, right? So, and then we put the Walkers in this bowl, right? There you go, like that, right? But, so because when we move them about, I will be blindfolded, so we can't just go by, which one's which. So, we got purple here, right? So we put purple on that one, right? See? Purple, right? And then we got red for the Walkers, right? Sausage. Like so. So now we put them down there to get them up the way. Now things first. I need to put a towel over my head, holding on by these things, because I do not have, for love or money, a blindfold. I did have a scarf somewhere, but I can't find it. So, take the glasses off, right? Put it over my head like so. Right, put these back on my head. Like that, so, and right, and I will try not again. Okay, I think that one is the Walkers, right? Actually, hang on. Yeah, they're the Walkers. That's the Snackers. They're the Snackers. They're the Aldi. That's the Tesco. Alright. I'll take these off. Purple. Purple. Red. Red. Okay, guys. that was it. That wasn't easy. I got that wrong. I thought that was the Walkers, as I can literally taste the cheese and onion in these a lot more than the other ones. But I was wrong. These ones are from Aldi. Right, these ones are from Tesco. So these ones here are the Walkers. These ones here are the Snackers. Okay, these ones are more cheese and onion flavour. These ones, they've got the cheese and onion flavour, but not as much as the Aldi. There you go, guys. Our Aldi cheese and onion crisps are more tastier with the flavour than the actual Tesco one. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to edit this and upload this to TikTok and YouTube, and I'm hoping it will come up onto Facebook as well. But at the moment, my Facebook page is playing me up. Alright, speak to you later, ladies and gents. Bye bye. Hello, ladies and gents. I well and truly got that one wrong. I thought this was the Aldi brand and this one was the Tesco brand. Well, yeah, I wasn't right, was I, guys? Because this one happened to be the Tesco's brand, and then this one happened to be the Aldi brand. So yeah, I've got it wrong, guys. But are you any better? Right? Don't forget, guys, to record your taste tests. Get yourself some stickers and stick one colour on there and the same colour on one of the bowls, and then get the other colour and stick it on the other packet and on the other bowl. Right, so you know which one's which. Right, and then you wear a blindfold or something over your eyes, and then you move the bowls around, right, and then you take your test, right. Literally, I thought this was the Tesco. I thought this was the Tesco one because it was literally more cheesy and oniony flavour than the red one. Not realising the red one was the Tesco's brand and this one was the Aldi brand. There you go. Okay. Now, guys, go off and do your own taste tests with these two brands, the Aldi one and the Tesco one. Okay. Don't forget to record it, friends. Bye bye.